Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Today I'm going to make a pasta bake. It's enough for 2 to 3 people and I think it's a great way of getting rid of your wilty veg from your fridge, or if you've got some tinned veggies you can throw that in, or even some frozen veggies as well. So I've just used the cheapy penne pasta from Aldi. I think it was 45p a bag. I've cooked it in a pan. I've just served it and thrown it in this oven-proof dish. I've just sprinkled some black pepper on and some virgin olive oil. Sorry for the whingy noises in the back. I'm about to take the dog for a walk, as you can see, and she's got a gob on because I'm not going immediately. I just want to throw the food on and then I'll take her for a walk. Yeah, this is my temporary ironing station because I've been making some bias binding for my Christmas stocking, so that's why that's there. So right, anyway, back to the food. Yeah, I've just been fighting with the tin of tomatoes. I couldn't get it open. I've got it open a bit, but you get what I'm doing, don't you? Oh, honestly, that's why sometimes I just buy Pizzazz, because Pizzazz is lovely, but the tins are getting increasingly difficult. I've got 2 different can openers and I still couldn't open it. So I don't know if it's because my hands are wrecked, or with my can openers are wrecked, or a combination of, or it's the tins. Like, the quality of the tins has gone downhill. So if you think it as well, let me know in the comments below if it's me, the tin, the can opener, or maybe all 3. Okay, I've had enough of that now. So what else am I going to put in? Well, I've been in my fridge, and this is a great way of using your wilty veg. I had a little yellow pepper left, a tiny onion, about 3/4 of a leek, and a courgette, so I'm going to chuck them in. All right, honey, we're going out soon. She's got a proper little whingy bum on her, this one. We're going out soon. Oh, okay. Give that a mix up. I'm going to add some garlic granules. Fresh garlic would be better, but I think garlic granules is a good standby in your cupboard. And I've got some basil, oregano, mixed herbs, or combo of all 3. It's nice to give your food a bit of a kick. So mix that all up. Okay, let's have another little fight with the tomatoes. Oh, bits of it are coming out now. Cooking shouldn't be this difficult, should it? So, there you go. I feel like I should be playing Mission Impossible music in the background. So there you go. That's all mixed up. Frustratingly, the tomatoes like, no, I get this pasta sauce. You can make your own white sauce with flour, butter and milk. This is already made up. This is 69p in Asda, so I'm just going to pour this over. So you can use any veggies you've got, carrots, pumpkin because of this time of the year, onion, celery, whatever you think's appropriate. I always have leeks and courgettes in because I just throw them in everything because I think they're really tasty. And optionally, you could have some bacon, so you've got a bacon pasta bake, and optionally you could add some cheese on top. You don't have to, and often I grate some black pepper on top of that as well, and throw it in the oven for about gas 6-7, 200 degrees for about half an hour-ish, and I cook it with some garlic baguette. I've got a big garlic baguette there, so that'll go in for about the last 10 minutes, and I'll easily serve 2 or 3 people, especially if you try and spread it up with a bit of salad as well, no bag of mixed salad. So there you go, there's my half-baked fight with my tuna pasta bake. I hope you enjoy it if you have a little go, and like I said, it's a great way of getting rid of your wilty veg. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you could be so kind, give us a thumbs up and or a comment so the YouTube algorithm knows I exist. And I hope to see you soon, despite my tin tomato fiasco. And bye for now.